Hello friends, welcome to Tech with Radhika. I hope you have learned something new about ChatGPT from my earlier videos. Today I would like to share something new. As we all wants to create and edit our images and turn those images into AI generated. So in the last video, I have told you that with the help of ChatGPT, we can edit our images. But today, I will tell you that how can we edit our images in Gemini. Yes, Gemini is another AI tool. With the help of that tool, we can edit our images or we can create many more things as like ChatGPT. But Gemini is more powerful than ChatGPT. So today I will tell you that how can we edit our images in Gemini. So I am searching for Gemini now. Okay, here we can search anything. For example, if we want to edit an image, so first we need to add an image here. From the plus sign we can upload files, we can add anything from our drive also, or we can upload many more things like photos, notebooks. Okay, so as I don't want to edit my image, so I am searching for some random images here. Okay, we can take any image from here, like I am taking this image. There is no need to download the image, we can simply copy this image and paste it in our Gemini. Okay, now here we need to give the prompt for editing this image. For example, I want to edit this image of girl child. I want to change the background and clothes of this girl. We can describe also that what type of clothes we want or which type of background we want. We can describe also. So it will take 4 or 5 minutes to make. Look, it has changed the background and the clothes. We can describe here like we want to change the clothes of this girl according to Himalaya background. So we can describe also that what type of clothes or what type of background we want. Look, now it has changed the clothes. We can change the background also. Now look, it has changed the background as per the clothes of the girl. So I hope you have learned something new about Gemini today. Keep connected for more such updates. Thank you.